In my research, Kowloon Bowling Green Cup is the facility and value troubleshooting email. Generally speaking, design contests of the value and facility that affect members' first impression. In terms of overall physical attributes, Kowloon Bowling Green Cup located at 123 Austin Road, Tsim Sha Tsui, Kowloon. The building's design is certainly the oldest long bowls cup and one that has been synonymous with the development of the sport in Hong Kong. That's a certainly historical building. For the site's layout, there is a security booth of the right-hand side and a car park for the club members on the right-hand side at the entrance. Keep going straight, we can see the office, bar, restaurant, and indoor or outdoor recreation facility. If we turn left and keep going straight, we can go to outdoor and indoor recreation facility and restaurant. Both of the facilities just accepted for membership exclusively. For the routine, we can see the outdoor swimming pool as the first and walk around 5 steps. We can go to Chinese restaurant, which catering the Chinese cruise for the members. In addition, they have a common area for members to communicate and relax next to the restaurant. It also plays several promotion activities and events there. Keep going straight. They post great quantity of Kowloon Bowling Green Cup information on the notice boards, and they sell the long bowling products and equipment for members using. Moreover, when we leave the indoor restaurant, keep going straight and down the store. First, we can see the snooker room and broad-scale bowling green area and outdoor tennis courts. When we finish cup left session, we would continually to look out the right section, which have indoor bar and office. In terms of aesthetic appeal, regulars of Bowling Green Cup style are historical and relatively luxury lifestyle like gorgeous restaurant design. In Kowloon Bowling Green Cup, management offers different kinds of service and experience that all members can enjoy it. First, clubs regularly have organized several special classes, such as swing class and so forth for members exclusively. Apart from it, management also open to international events, facilities open to players or representative grade of national sport association or staging of international events. In terms of the club just acceptable for membership only, the membership of the club shall be divided into 13 types of members. Like ordinary members also apply for junior and student to apply the membership, who enjoy the facility. Moreover, the facility open and staging of sports events. For instance, Main Club Handgrip Players Competition 2017, the members can enroll in the competition. On the other hand, I will identify the external and internal design problem and the client managerial symptoms, then analyze the impact of the problem. Generally, I will explain the external design features that may affect the members using the site and first impression. The major level is stability and safety of entrance and exit to the sites, which customer will concern. Kowloon Bowling Green Cup just acceptable for members using and they does not approve non-certified people to enter. However, when I enter the entrance, I did not get any security block my way. Then I can easily to get into the club and conduct my assignment. Hence, the security problem in Kowloon Bowling Green Cup need to be improved and solved. As a club, one of the most important aspects of creating a successful enterprise in the curation of relationship with members. Members want to feel safety that it has their best interests at heart and will do anything possible to help them out. That is why security is an extremely important topic to address in management. In addition, design and quality of open space on the site also affect to find the potential customer. When I accept the Bowling Green Cup, regulars of MTR exit direction, landscape, and signage all do not have direction. Customers need to search the site's location and how to access. Hence, customers do not understand how to access and reach the site, then club will lose the revenue and opportunity undoubtedly. Moreover, without any disabled facility which cannot achieve user-friendly objective, due to MTR exit and site entrance and revenue both have no facility and numbers of stairs for disabled customer reach the location. Customer cannot easy to access and hinder them to come in there. Therefore, it may affect user unfriendly. Moreover, internal design also influence the potential customer and members continuously using the facility and maintain the members. Social facility will directly affect customer user experience and opportunity. First, restaurant and restroom hygiene situation, which club need to be improved. In restaurant, it has table to settle several tableware without any cover. Although it will convenient for staff work, but it might breeding bacteria, then cause customer personal safety problem. On the other hand, the restroom even did not open any ventilation equipment and lighting so that customer cannot using the restroom and it would not achieve air circulation. In addition, internal staff also the main concern problem. When I wish to swimming pool, I discover some damaged situation. For instance, outdoor swimming pool will be temporarily closed in the winter, so that customer cannot use the facility. However, when I check the entrance, the bigger loophole appeared in this facility. The staff forgot to close the entrance. It may derivative danger and addition it has not any security to check for the swimming pool. Therefore, in case of accident happened, apart from affect the club image and constitute danger of life. On the contrary, security are the major concern criteria which Bowling Green Club need to be improved. In case of internal and external both occur this problem. In one of the research demonstrate that customer will be concerned on the destination of quality from the viewpoint of tourism development. The research explore crucial quality factors from the viewpoint of demand is presented. In the case, the highest importance is attributed to the factors of destination keenness, sense of security, and neutral attraction. The attribute significance of which is not dependent on gender. In order to enhance the security problem, knowledgeable and well-trained staff are the most important improvement methods to solve this problem. The Kowloon Bowling Green Club management team need to discuss several criteria which to follow. First, club need to regularly provide several training class to club staff which understand the club working structure and job descriptions. Regulars of role play or training team, they can demonstrate the situation and how to solve the problem. Therefore, avoid the problem is identified. Second, due to appear facility skill for closing, the club security patrol need to be stringent. For example, the facility temporarily closed, which do not open for any members. Club management can require less than 2 security need to inspect different facilities at the same time, in which avoid dangerous and injury. Third, security department can set the policy for the entrance security and members need to pay attention. Members, when they come to club to use the facility, they need to demonstrate their member card to the entrance security, then enter the venue. Also, the entrance security need to do the same behavior who check the member's identity card, then let them to enter the venue. I think both of the idea also have the strength and weakness. Customer who can feel safety in the club, then they will have sense of security and continually consumption in the club. But regulars of training, membership card, and security patrol both are need money spent and huge expenses. In addition, due to Bowling Green Club which have provided disabled facility to enter and exit, it may affect unrespect and discrimination. If club's management does not provide the disabled facility, they may illegal. The United Nations Convention on the Right of Persons with Disabilities has entered into focus for the People's Republic of China, including the Hong Kong Special Administrative Region since 31 August 2008. In case disabled people into society in order for they can protect and ensure the full and equal enjoyment of all human rights and fundamental freedoms by all persons with disability, and to promote respect for their inherent dignity. Bowling Green Club need to provide a very free environment for the independence, confidence, and safety of all people with disability that achieve user-friendly. Therefore, club, in order to attract more disabled people, they can easily reach the value, also use the facility. If we build very free, we can hold on different disabled people commission like long bowling. Therefore, it can gain the brand image and earn the van value. However, building several borough-free facility, costs, and equipment need to extremely huge of expense, so that club need to consider. Besides, signage direction important also directly influence the club revenue. If customer doesn't know how to assess the value, that can earn the revenue. If club build and estimate the direction like MTR exit direction or signage, it can improve the quality and effectiveness of tourist attraction and tourist attraction facility sites throughout value location, and encourage provision of efficient information system designed as a which meet the requirement on value management. Therefore, if club communicate with MTR and government to apply for add the direction or signage, that the potential customer can easily to access the value and use the facility. However, if add this signage or direction, it might need audit and approve, so that they need a long time to solve the problem.